Mathematics, Analysis and Approaches, Paper 2, Timezone 1, HL, November 2025. This is question number 9 and this is of 7 marks. You can see that he has given us a triangle and he has given us the side AB and the length of BC, and the angle ABC is theta and the opposite side is x. And with that, he is also saying that theta is decreasing at a constant rate of pi by 60 radians per minute. With that information, I'm supposed to find out how is AC changing when the area of the triangle is 140 centimeters square. What we're going to do is to use a cosine rule to create an equation on x, and after that I'm going to be finding the rate of change of x by differentiating it with respect to t. So I know by applying cosine rule, I can write AC square as equal to AB square plus BC square minus 2AB into BC cos theta. So I'm going to do that here. So x square is simply going to be equal to 15 square plus 20 square minus 2 times of 15 into 20. And then we have a cos theta. So when I differentiate that, I'm going to have 2x into dx by dt. I'm differentiating with respect to t. So this is minus 600 into minus sine theta. This is not a t, this is a theta, and therefore I'm going to differentiate that with respect to t. Divided by x d theta by dt. She has told me that theta is decreasing at a constant rate of pi by 60. So what am I going to do here? I'm going to take d theta by dt. Because it is decreasing, I'm going to take a negative, and by what rate? Pi by 60. Understand the entire question is in radians, so be careful of that. Right, so for me to find out dx by dt, I need the value for theta and I also need the value for x. Now both of them can be found with this information given to us, which says that the area of the triangle is 140 centimeters square. All right, so I'm going to quickly find out the area. I know the area of a triangle is half into a into b into sine theta. So area is 140. So I can take this value and substitute it over here for sine theta. Now I need to find out the value for x. So for me to find the value for x, I'm going to find out the value for theta. What am I going to use? I'm going to use this information. Okay. I can either find a value for theta, or I can use sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 and then go about doing that. Both are fine. Let's go ahead and find the value for theta. Now, when the value for theta is so and so, I now need to find out what is x. And as I know that x is 600, x squared is 625 minus 600 cos of 1.2035. I'm now going to take x as equal to 20.23 and substitute it in here. So that's your final answer, which is minus 0.724. So your final statement could be that the length is decreasing at the rate of 0.724 centimeter per minute. That's it for this video. Thank you.